Audimute provides sound management solutions that are easy, green, and affordable. After correctly treating your space with Audimute, whether through sound absorption, sound blocking, or a mix of both, we guarantee you will love what you hear, or do not hear. In this video, I'll show you how to install Audimute Acoustic Panels using our Keyhole Plate installation method. Keyhole plate mounting is a very secure method to attach panels onto walls or even an angle section of a ceiling. This method is an available option with our fabric acoustic panels and acoustic image panels. The plates come pre-attached to the panels, which makes installation simple. It's like hanging a wall clock. The screws in the wall are hidden from view. For this method, you will just need the 4 included screws for the keyhole plates, a level, a measuring tape, a pencil, and a Phillips head screwdriver. I'll be using fabric acoustic panels for this installation. These panels are wrapped in the waterfall fabric from Guilford of Maine's Anchorage line of acoustic fabrics. First, draw a level line where you want the top of the panel to be. Measure 5 1/4 inches down and make another level line. Measure the distance between the keyholes on the panel and screw the double-headed screws into the wall using the corresponding measurements. Now you can simply hang the panel where you intended. If you would like free sound advice, have any questions about our products, installation methods, or optimal coverage, please reach out to us via email, chat on audimute.com, or call 866-505-MUTE. Thanks for watching.